Assalamu alaikum, dear distant learners and viewers. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, who belongs to this universe. I think all of the students are studying very seriously. Since the institutions have been closed down due to coronavirus, we are bound to take online class. I will take English class for the students of class 9 and 10. So, I am going to describe Unit 8 World Heritage Bishwa Oitijjo Lesson 4 Lake Baikal. Before going to describe my lesson, I am going to discuss learning outcomes. You will, dear students, you will open at 109 page. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this unit, we will be able to listen for specific information. We will be able to read and understand text through silent reading. We will be able to ask and answer questions. We will be able to describe a place. Dear students, you will open at 118 page. Question number A, look at the picture and talk about it. In the picture, a water body is seen. It may be a lake. On one side of the lake, two hills are seen. Icebergs is floating on water. Dear students, now come to question B. Work in pairs and ask and answer the following questions. What do you think it is? I think it is a lake. Where is this situated? It is almost in the center of Asia. Are you familiar with something like this? Yes, I am familiar with Kaptai Lake like this. Dear learners and viewers, come to question C. Read the text to find out if your guess about questions 1 and 2 is right. So, dear learners and viewers, now I am going to illustrate, or I am going to go through the text. Pay attention and you have to read the text 2 times in order to perceive the text very properly. Lake Baikal is the deepest and one of the biggest and most ancient lakes of the world. It is situated almost in the center of Asia. Lake Baikal is a gigantic bowl set at 445 meters above sea level. This grand, enormous, unusual and charming miracle of nature is located in the south of eastern Siberia in the Burят Autonomous Republic and region of Irkutsk, Russia. The lake covers 31,500 square kilometer. It is 636 kilometer long and an average of 48 kilometer wide. The widest point of the lake is 79.4 kilometer. The water basin occupies 5,57,000 square kilometer and contains 23,000 cubic kilometer of water, which is about 1/5 of the world's reserves of fresh surface water. The average water level in the lake is never higher than 456 meters. The average depth of Lake Baikal is 730 meters, and its maximum depth in the middle is 1620 meter. It would take about 1 year for all the rivers of the world to fill Baikal's basin, and would take 400 years for all the rivers, streams and brooks now flowing into Siberian Lake Sea to do the same. There are hotter springs in the surrounding area of Lake Baikal. The quality of water of these springs is excellent. The lake acts as a powerful generator and biofilter, producing this water. Baikal is a stormy lake. Autumn is the most stormy time. The wind blows in various directions. The weather depends on the wind. If it is blowing from the north, the weather is bright and sunny. The water of the lake looks green and dark blue. But if the winds get together, Baikal turns black, waves rising high with white crest. The beauty of Lake Baikal is exceptional. সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, এখন আমি তোমাদেরকে কিছু ভোকাবুলারি দেখাবো যেগুলো তোমার টেক্সট বুঝতে সাহায্য করবে। Familiar. It is an adjective meaning পরিচিত. Can you make the sentence? Mr. Rahim is a familiar person. Synonym: well known, recognized, popular. Deepest. It is an adjective meaning গভীরতম. Dear students, can you make the sentence? Lake Baikal is the deepest lake of the world. Synonym: fathomless, profound, ancient. It is an adjective. Dear learners and viewers, can you make the sentence? Lake Baikal is an ancient lake. Meaning প্রাচীন. Synonym: very old, antique, primitive, gigantic. It is an adjective meaning বিশাল. Lake Baikal is very gigantic. Synonym: located, positioned, set up. Sorry. Enormous, huge, large. Miracle. It is an adjective meaning অলৌকিক. Can you make the sentence, dear learners and viewers? Lake Baikal is the charming miracle of nature. Synonym: wonder, supernatural. Autonomous. It is an adjective meaning স্বৈরশাসক. Can you make the sentence, dear learners? Ershad was an autonomous government. I think all of the students have been able to understand. Synonym: independent, self-directed. Reserve. It is a verb. Sorry. Occupy. It is a verb meaning দখল করা. Can you make the sentence? Lake Baikal occupies 557,000 square kilometer. Synonym: grave. Reserve. It is a verb সংরক্ষণ করা. Can you make the sentence, dear students? Lake Baikal reserves 1/5 of the world. Synonym: preserve, treasure, store. Average, it is a noun meaning gore. Lake Baikal is 636 km long and an average of 48 km wide. Maximum, it is an adjective. Sarvabekha, can you make the sentence, dear students? Lake Baikal's maximum depth in the middle is 1620 meter. Synonym, utmost, quantity, degree. Surrounding, it is an adjective meaning charodike. Dear students, can you make the sentence? The teacher tries to charm the students in order to make the topic understand. Synonym, nearby, around, very. Excellent, it is an adjective meaning apurbo, chomotkar. Lake Baikal is an excellent lake in the world. Synonym, outstanding, brilliant. Powerful, it is an adjective, khamotashali. Can you make the sentence, dear students? Mr. Rahman is the most powerful person in the country. Synonym, influential, commanding. Generator, it is a noun meaning utpadok. Dear students, can you make the sentence? Suppose the generator of this school is very powerful. Synonym, producer, maker. Filter, it is a verb meaning porishkar kora. My mother tries to filter. Synonym, infiltrate. Stormy, it is an adjective, joro. Violent, synonym, violent weather. Can you make the sentence? Baikal is a stormy lake. Supriyo Shikharthi Brindo, now I am going to question number 1. Choose the correct answer from the following alternatives. Which of the following has the closest meaning of the word ancient used in line 1? If we go through the text, we can easily imagine the meaning of the word ancient. Meaning, ortho hocche prachin. Option number A, contemporary, সমসাময়িক. Option number B, new, নতুন. Option number C, modern, আধুনিক. Option number D, very old, প্রাচীন. Option number D are related to this answer. Very old will be the right answer of this question. Question number 2. The area of the lake is. Option number A is 31,500 square kilometer. Option number B 32,000 square kilometer. Option number C 20,000 square kilometer. Option number D 55,700 square kilometer. The right answer will be option number A, 31,500 square kilometer. Dear students, we can come to question number 3. Which of the following word describes the spring based? নিম্নলিখিত শব্দের কোনটি সর্বোত্তম স্প্রিং ঝর্ণাকে বর্ণনা করে? ওয়ার্ম, অপশন নাম্বার এ ওয়ার্ম, উষ্ণ. অপশন নাম্বার বি কুল, ঠান্ডা. অপশন নাম্বার সি মডারেট, মাঝারি. অপশন নাম্বার ডি নাইস, সুন্দর. অপশন নাম্বার এ উইল বি দ্য রাইট অ্যান্সার, ওয়ার্ম. If we go through the text, we can easily find out the answer of this question. We can come to question number 4. What does the expression "the beauty of Lake Baikal is exceptional" in the last sentence mean? অর্থাৎ কোন অভিব্যক্তি হ্রদের সৌন্দর্য বাক্যে লেক বৈকালের অন্যরকম বর্ণনা করে বোঝায়। অপশন নাম্বার এ, দ্য লেক ইজ লাইক আদার লেকস, হ্রদ অন্যান্য হ্রদের মতো। দ্য লেক ইজ সেম অ্যাজ আদার লেকস, অন্যান্য হ্রদটি অন্যান্য হ্রদের মতো একই। দ্য লেক ইজ ডিফারেন্ট ফ্রম আদার লেকস, হ্রদটি অন্যান্য হ্রদ থেকে ভিন্ন। অপশন নাম্বার ডি, দ্য লেক ইজ নট এ লেক অ্যাট অল। The right answer will be the lake is same as other lakes. We can come to question number 5. How is the beauty of the lake Boikal? Option number A, attractive, চমৎকার। Option number B, beautiful, সুন্দর। Option number C, charming, মনোমুগ্ধকর। Option number D, all of the above, উপরের সবগুলা। The right answer will be option number D. The word dark means, অন্ধকার অর্থ হচ্ছে অপশন নাম্বার এ ব্রাইট, উজ্জ্বল। অপশন নাম্বার ডি ডিম, অনুজ্জ্বল। অপশন নাম্বার সি সানি, রৌদ্রোজ্জ্বল। অপশন নাম্বার ডি ব্রিলিয়ান্ট, মেধাবী। দ্য রাইট অ্যান্সার উইল বি অপশন নাম্বার বি, ডিম, অনুজ্জ্বল। দিস আনসার ইজ রিলেটেড টু ডার্ক। ডিম ইজ রিলেটেড টু ডার্ক। উই ক্যান কাম টু কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 7. ফাইনালি, what does the word exceptional in the passage refer to? অপশন নাম্বার এ নর্মাল, স্বাভাবিক। অপশন নাম্বার বি সিম্পল, সরল। অপশন নাম্বার সি এক্সট্রাঅর্ডিনারি, অনন্য সাধারণ। অপশন নাম্বার ডি ইউজুয়াল, সচরাচর। দ্য রাইট অ্যান্সার উইল বি অপশন নাম্বার সি এক্সট্রাঅর্ডিনারি, হুইচ ইজ রিলেটেড টু এক্সেপশনাল। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, we have come to an end of the class. সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, তোমাদের হোমওয়ার্ক থাকবে you will make 5 questions including answer from this passage. So, thank you very much for enjoying the class. I think during coronavirus you will stay at home, stay safe, and you will study very seriously at your residence. No more today. That's all for the time being.